Welcome to An Ashley a Day. Hooray!
Hey everybody, welcome to day 54 of An Ashley a Day. I'm Ashley, this is Ashley a Day. Have you ever thought about space and everything that is out there? Basically the universe. People always wonder if there's extraterrestrial life outside of humans on Earth, and I believe that somewhere in the universe there is an alien, if you will. It might not be in our galaxy, it might be in a different galaxy, but we can't assume that we're the only living beings in the universe. Like, this can't be the only planet that has living organisms. The universe is too giant to say otherwise. You look up at the night sky and you see uncountable numbers of stars. You could probably sit there and try to count, and if you're in a city, sure, you may be able to see 3 stars and count those. But if you go somewhere, say out in the middle of the wilderness, and on a clear night you look up, and there's no way that you'll be able to count all the stars in the night sky. There's just too many, it's impossible. But basically, if you think about each of those stars as our sun, each with planets revolving around them, there's like a 100% chance that at least one of those stars will have a habitable planet, but just too far away for us to be able to know it. You hear about science finding planets all the time. You keep hearing about these Kepler planets. Basically, NASA has a mission, the Kepler mission, and they keep finding new moons. So they're dubbed, Kepler moons, planets, but there's so many of them. It's possible that something can have life on it. I don't know if anytime in our lifetime an alien attack will happen. I don't know if that will ever happen. It just seems so improbable that hundreds, thousands of light years away. The distance of a light year is how far light travels in a year. So light years are super, 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 super long and far away, and it's pretty much impossible to travel. Maybe in the super distant future we'll be able to find some kind of machine that'll blast us through time and space and get us to destinations in 2 minutes, 300 light years away or something. But that is so not happening in our generation. We used to go camping a lot up in Wisconsin, and up there at night we'd all be sitting around the campfire, and you look up and there's just thousands upon thousands of stars. We would try to find constellations. You have the Big Dipper and the Little Dipper, and then you have Orion's Belt and the Teapot, the 3/W. I don't know actual names for half of these things, but you can see them and it's really cool. We would even look for satellites, because in a place with no lights around where you can actually see lots and lots of stars, you can see satellites. It takes a good eye to look up at the sky and be able to see just a little blinking thing moving across the sky. It's not a shooting star because it's moving too slowly, and it's not a plane because, well, you can tell when it's not a plane. But those nights were awesome where you just sit there and you look up. It makes you feel really small, because there's lots and lots of galaxies out there, and planets and stars. But not to worry, I don't think any aliens will be visiting us soon. I don't think we'll be reaching any alien planets anytime soon either. So I don't think there has to be any worry right now about intergalactic wars. I hope to see you on day 55, assuming no aliens have attacked our planet. But for now, goodbye!